At this point, we're gonna do a very simple role play. Can we give Aaron a hand? Let's encourage him. Aaron is gonna come over. Ayan. You know, Aaron is my apo in D group. Yeah, his D group leader is Pastor Paul De Vera, and Pastor Paul is ayan, nandito pala kami. Okay, sige. And we will sit down.
Interview po pala to.
Okay, so we'll go through the coach. Okay, the coach approach. What is step one? Connect. Okay, connect. So the issue, ano nga pala yung issue natin? The concern is what? Is that Aaron is having a hard time. He's been trying to be more consistent with his quiet time, but he's finding a hard time to keep a regular schedule. That is the scenario. Okay? So, perhaps this has been intimated by him to me a few times already, so I can check on him. Hi, Aaron.
Hi, Kuya Homs.
Kamusta ka na? Remember the last time you were sharing with us that, share with me that you had a hard time with your quiet time. How's that been going along?
Well, honestly, Tito, Kuya Oms, medyo...
Tito?
Kuya Oms. Kuya
Okay.
Oms, tagalit pa rin po eh. Like, still inconsistent. I'm trying to manage my schedule, pero minsan di ko talaga masingit kung saan ako magka-quiet time, at anong oras ako magka-quiet time.
Wow, schedule and all of that. So you find that in your schedule, it's the time, right?
Oo.
It's finding time for your
Busy sa work.
You're busy at work. Okay. Well, given all of that, what do you want to achieve today? What do you want to achieve out of this conversation? What do you want to take home with you?
Well, Kuya Homs, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng consistent na schedule. Minsan kasi nauusi ako na parang hindi ko nasusundan, tapos naliligaw na ako dun sa plan na sinusundan ko. So I want to have a more consistent schedule po ng quiet time ko, and then a Bible reading and meditation din as well.
So you want to have a more consistent plan, right? So what's been happening? So first we connected, like how's your quiet time? And then what happened? We established an outcome niya, right? His outcome is he wants to have a more consistent quiet time or schedule. Okay. The next is, what's the next? Awareness. Okay. So, Aaron, what do you think are the reasons why you're having a hard time keeping to a schedule? What time do you usually have quiet time?
Usually, I would wake up in the morning, but sometimes I end up waking up late, and I'll be running late for my work. So I would postpone my quiet time to a later time in the day, and then I end up not being able to do it entirely the whole day.
Wow. So you wake up late.
I
Okay.
tend to wake up
You
late.
wake up late,
Yes.
and then the first thing that I guess goes is that quiet time, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. May I ask what do you do at night? What's your schedule like at night?
So oftentimes I would do, once I return from work, I would do some household chores, tapos prep for the next day. And then of course, I find time to just relax, and then yung bagong Netflix series ngayon, Pastor Oms. So I've been binge watching eh. So yeah, so after dun, nakalimutan ko na pala entirely yung quiet time ko. So tutulog na ako.
So you've been binge watching Netflix, right? Ito ba yung kay Kim Chu? Ay, biro na. You've been binge watching. Oh, okay. So when you binge watch, around what time do you end?
Well, oftentimes I'm so tired, I just want something na relaxing. So I would use that for a way na makakatulog ako ng earlier, ng mabilis. So sometimes I would end up watching three episodes. before I sleep. I end up around 12 o'clock or 1 at the
Wow.
latest.
Wow. So, do you think that's the reason why you're waking up late? Is that the binge watching?
Well, looking at it, yes, because I end up waking up late too and feeling tired at the same time as well.
Okay. So, where do you watch these Netflix shows or series?
Well, I have it on my phone, so I would bring my phone to bed, and then I'm ready to sleep. I'll just watch a few episodes. Sometimes that one episode ends up getting two episodes. Hanggang sa antokin na rin po ako Kuya Oms, and then I'll just put it down and I'll sleep.
Ah, ang dami nakaka-relate ah. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so it's the phone, right? You know, I understand, right? Because sometimes you just want to de-stress. You bring your phone along with you, and you know, before you know it, you've watched so many already. So, you know, perhaps now we have identified that one of the reasons why you're waking up so late is because of all those late night Netflix binges, no? So, you know, now that you know that this is the possible challenge, what do you think you can do with that phone?
Well, for starters, titigilan ko ng manood ng ano, or I'll limit it to one, or better yet, before I sleep, I would just leave my phone someplace, or I wouldn't put it inside the bedroom, or ilalagay ko lang dun sa table ko na malayo bago ako matulog.
You think that's helpful? That you can put that phone further away from you so it's not a quick grab?
Actually, I did try that before. Like, I ended up na-drained yung battery ko and I charged it. Well, I ended up sleeping early. And then the day after, I was able to do my quiet time. So yeah, I think not putting my phone beside my bed would hurt.
Well, that's good. Okay, so do you think we can try it out this week?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think, what would be your action steps? What do you think you will be doing from this, for this week?
Starting tonight, I'm not going to use my phone before bed. I'll limit, or if I'll stop, or if not, I'll limit my watching. Tapos hindi ko na siya sasama sa pagtulog ko yung bed. I just put it way far away from me before I sleep.
Okay, all right. So, so do we both understand that the challenge has been won? You haven't been able. So where are we now? We are in the highlights. Okay, we're in the highlights. So you know that you have a hard time waking up early, and it's because we realized that you have been sleeping late. And we saw that the reason that you're sleeping late is because of your binge watching on your phone. So tama ba that your action point is that that you will put your phone far away from you, perhaps outside of the room, if that's possible, right? So that's one thing that you're gonna do this week, and then you'll try not to use your phone before going to bed. Is that correct?
Agree, Kuya. I'll do that.
Okay. Because of this, are you excited na there's this big possibility and chance that you can get back to your quiet time?
Yeah, I really am. And because, siguro lately lang din, because of my lack of quiet time, I've been feeling really spiritually dry.
Right. And perhaps if you do get back, do you think this will help you have a more positive outlook in your work, in your responsibilities?
I really think so.
Does that
Kuya
get you
Obs.
excited?
Yeah, it does.
That's amazing. Well, thank you. Thank you, Aaron. So I'll see you next week.
Okay.
And then I'll check on you within the week.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
I'll keep you
See-
posted.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Aaron. Okay, ang galing.